Who doesn't like to ride in style on two wheels? And today I'm going to show all the motorcycle fans out there some next-level motorcycles that are not just stylish but will also blow you away. Stay tuned and you might get a few ideas of your own to have your own crazy customized bike too. Monster motorbike from hell. Go to hell. I'm not kidding, because with this one, actually, you can. And well, that's the name the developers gave it anyways, the Monster motorbike from hell. Inspired by monster trucks, this monster bike spans almost 30 feet long and weighs over 28,000 pounds. And guess what powers this motorbike? It's not a motorcycle engine, it's a supercharged Detroit diesel truck engine. Reportedly, it took 3 years for the Australian stunt driver Ray Bauman to develop. And guess what? All that time finally paid off. Now he is cruising and crushing through the streets. It's still not for sale, and if and when it is, I'll let you know for sure. Regio Design XXL Chopper. Now, if you thought you've seen it all, forget it, because this next one is going to blow that monster motorbike you saw before back to hell. Meet the Regio Design XXL Chopper, and the specs of this bike might give you a heart attack. It's 16 feet tall and a massive 32 feet long. The bike is so big that it's even bigger than some of the battle tanks out there. And guess what? The tires alone are 6.5 feet tall. This behemoth of a motorcycle is powered by a 280 horsepower engine. And before you ask, I don't know anyone who can drive it. Maybe that's why the manufacturers made it to be a remote-controlled motorbike. Boom Trikes Mustang Extreme. Here is a lavish and luxurious trike that will let you float through the streets. The Boom Trikes Mustang Extreme. Powered by a 110 horsepower engine with a 7-speed automatic transmission system, the only thing better than its raw power is its aesthetics. The trike is a sight to behold, with incredible chromium bodywork, elegant dual headlights and body lighting, with comfy and classy leather seats that can fit 2 people. You can hit the road in pure class with this one. Batpod. If you are a Batman fan and watched the Dark Knight trilogy, you are going to love this. The Batpod has come to life. Of course, this one doesn't have all those big guns to blast through the cop cars or all that high jumping capabilities, but guess what? It is identical to the Batpod in the movie in every single way. Even the engine roar is exactly the same. The best part about this is that even you can get your very own custom-made Batpod just like this. Just visit the website of the manufacturer Chopper City USA, and you are all good to ride down the streets just like the Caped Crusader. TERRA Craft. What's better than using aerospace technology for motorbikes? Well, although this bike can't fly yet, it's embedded with technology that could make it the most advanced and safest bike on the streets. The TERRA Craft comes with an autonomous co-pilot system that lets you drive like a real race car driver at higher speeds with smart assistance, and its ILCS technology can evaluate driver movements, predict driver behavior, and assist with complex maneuvers. The car is still in the experimental stage. For now, it's powered by a 100 horsepower engine, but who knows what the future holds for this bike. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. I'll be back in the next one.